Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Avantis token on Binance Alpha. So Avantis just get loose on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it, I will show you how step by step. So make sure you watch this video until the end. So first, you can open your Binance apps, and then make sure you have signed in. After that, you can go to your search box in the top here, and then you can search Avnt for Avantis. You can search it and you will find Avantis on Alpha. This one you can click it, Avnt. Then this is the chart. So from this chart perspective, it's not really bad because it's not quickly down. And you can see the details by click info here in the top, and you will find the 24-hour high, low, and the volume. The volume is good, more than 25 millions, and also you can check their website and their social media. Also you can check their audit, you can rate it, and if you want to buy it, you can just simply click trade here in the bottom, and then you can choose limit or instant. If you choose instant, you can just swap your USDC or other token to Avantis, and if you choose limit, you can place the price here like this, and then you can choose the amount and you can choose the order. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.